On this short tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to complete your Wisconsin alcohol server seller training. Let's get started. After you've logged in and purchased the Wisconsin course, you'll land on your profile's My Courses page. Here you'll see all your active trainings. Locate Wisconsin Alcohol Server and Seller Certification in the list and click the Click to Start button. Before you can start your Wisconsin Alcohol Server Seller course, state law requires you to complete the Wisconsin Tobacco Check training. This extra module is included at no additional cost. When you reach this page, click the button labeled "Click here to access the Wisconsin Tobacco Check training." You'll be redirected to the state's tobacco training site. On this page, enter your first and last name in the fields provided and click Continue to Test. This will launch the required tobacco training module. After you enter your name and continue, you'll see a brief overview of the Wisconsin Tobacco Check program. It explains that the training takes about 10 minutes and is divided into 3 sections: the law, the sale, and the partnership. You can click the study guide links if you'd like more detail. When you're ready, just scroll down and click the blue Onto the Test button to begin. Complete and pass this quick test, and you'll be returned to LIQUORexam.com to start your Wisconsin Alcohol Server Seller course. Now you've learned how to complete the Wisconsin Alcohol Server Seller training on LIQUORexam.com. Thank you for choosing LIQUORexam.com for your hospitality compliance training needs. We're proud to support you and your team in building knowledge, confidence, and compliance in the workplace. From all of us at LIQUORexam.com, best of luck in your training and your career. And remember, we're always here when you need us.